I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select PyForms as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, then go to the PyForms page and fill it with data to retrieve it. PyForms fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select bit form as an action. Give here the client ID. So, go to the bit form dashboard. App setting. API. Copy the API key and save it. Then go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and paste it into the client ID. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a form. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to your Bitform dashboard. Under the Actions, click on 3 dots and go to the Responses. Here you can see that the data came successfully into the Bitform. Thanks for watching.